just wanted to show you the store is packed, but I wanted to show you how cute these little glass canisters or jars. They have pins here, bobby pins. This one has Q-tip and it says blessed. $5.99. Cotton balls, $7.99. These are hair ties, ponytail holders. Don't worry, be happy. And they are all $9.99. These big ones are $9.99. Yep. Aren't these cute? Look at that. Adorable. Those are cute. I like this little detail on the top. It's super cute. Okay, here we are at the mug section. I found one that says start somewhere, and then we have caffeine. All these up here say caffeine with pink inside. Look at that. These also say caffeine and has really light pink inside. That's super cute. And that's it for the mugs in this section. Ooh. First time seeing one of these. Now we are in the clearance. They have $10 each. They have the #1 teacher apple, the grow, and the knock little houses for $10. They're usually $20. Now, how cute are these Rae Dunn pillows? These say always. They have it the gold embroidered over here, and these over here say love. Some silk pillowcases. Look at this. This is us little heart frame. I thought there was a calendar, Rae Dunn calendar, but I don't see it. Let me see. Is this it? I think this is it. Yes. $20. It's a little wood here, and then ceramic little dices. That's cute. Then they have some wine and beer glass set for $7.99. Yours and mine. And then more of the pillows, more of the I Do coasters, and some little cute but chipped holders, pen holders, makeup holders, whatever you want to use it for. Oh, they have more here too. Look, this is just all wood, and these are $19.99. That's cute. Yes. Happy fall, y'all. Look at this. Super cute. $7.99. There's a whole bunch of these. Look at this. These planters are, yep, these are cute. They're not Rae Dunn, but they're just cute. I am loving the fall. They have the $40 flower set right here. Some of the framed art. More happy fall, y'all. Hello, y'all. Hello, fall. $7.99. Oh, I like this orange bless. And happy fall, y'all, with the sunflowers. Those are cute. Okay. I haven't been to a store in a while, so I'm excited to see some fall done. They have this little be blessed wagon here. This is cute. Very cute. And they have some Rae Dunn candles over here. This is no Rae Dunn pumpkins yet, but those are cute. That blue color is cute. Yeah, the Rae Dunn canisters. Ooh, I am loving this. Okay, so we're in the bathroom section, and that's what I am here for. But look at this matte black with gold lettering bathroom set. It's beautiful. Look at that. And then they have it on this Rae Dunn washroom wall piece. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. That is beautiful. I'm loving that. What they have here, they have a little rinse. Oh, they have things with the wood top. I'm loving that. Hey guys, look at how cute these Rae Dunn shower curtain liner is. It has the blue truck with orange. Look at the picture. With orange pumpkins, and it says gather. That's all ready for Thanksgiving. This one says family with all these little cute gnomes right here. These are cute. It's $7.99, and then this one $7.99. That's not a bad price. With the witch, I don't do that, but you guys get the point. This one, look at this, guys. The first time I see this, kind of weird. That is actually being a big fan of Rae Dunn nail wrap kit for $3.99. I am actually here in the line, gonna pay some stuff that I need for the shower. And I finally see some candles. Eek. Spooky. Look at that. Candle. Ooh, look at this. Love that. Some mugs. Okay, the line is moving, so I gotta go, ladies. Okay, guys, I am a little sad. I see a lot of this and this, but no fall. Oh my God. Hopefully they don't skip fall, because I love it.